How to recover Facebook account without email and phone number. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to recover Facebook account without email and phone number. So first thing first, just head over to your any of your browser and head over to the facebook.com website, or you can also use your Facebook application. So in this example I'll be using my browser version. So once you're inside here, basically you just have to click on this forget password button over here. And once you're inside here, if you remember your phone number or email address, you can easily enter that particular detail over here just like this and simply click on continue, and they will be sending an OTP to confirm your mail. So since we've forgotten both our email as well as our phone number, so what you can do is, so once inside in this page that is help center, simply select it, and from over here just select this second option that is login and recovery and security. So you can try using this third option that is I can't access the email or phone number, and they will prompt you to find another or your hacked account, enter your information and proceed even if you weren't hacked. So in this case my account is normal, so if that method doesn't work for you, you can simply scroll down and click on this recovered an account and try using the first option that is recover your account if you can't log in. So you can also see that our problem that recover your Facebook account if you can't access your account, email address or phone number. So simply select it, and you can see, and you can just try one of these steps that has been mentioned over here, like try using a different mobile phone or number or email address which you might have forgotten are associated with your account if you have attached any different mail or phone number to your particular current account in which you have forgotten your details such as email and phone number. And you can always double check that you have entered your mobile number or email correctly at the login. If you are entering a mobile number, try including the country code as well. So if anything doesn't work, just try contacting your email provider to see if they can help you recover access to your mail account. Or you can also suggest your family members to actually report your particular account from their device to help you recover it. And if that also doesn't work for you, you can just tap on this nothing worked for you and simply click on select on next by providing your feedback to the official Facebook team, and they should get back to you. Just make sure you don't forget to mention your email address over here just like this. So just describe your issue as well as your email ID which you want to receive your mail or feedback from the team, and simply click on submit and just wait for the team to respond to you. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.